good lord! Hi everyone, I'm out here with the Gleesfun G11Mini, and we're just going to see how this drone flies. I'm going to take it up in the air, and, well, you'll see how it goes. Some technical difficulties here. It does not seem to want to take off. Okay, I think I might have to put it on the ground. I've never done this before. The startup process is completely different than the last time I had it in the air. Okay, it says it's ready to fly now. Okay, now it wants me to pick it up again. Okay. Okay, now back on the ground. Calibrate. Okay. Should be ready to fly. There it goes. Oh, and there it goes down. No, I don't want to go down. I'm not touching the controls. It's just doing this. Wandering in a circle. Wandering around. Where will it go? Nobody knows. Making wider circles. Going in an outward spiral around. Ah, I just about got clobbered there. I'm just trying to take my head off here, I think. Okay, we'll take it up and fly it around and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, actually, if I'm deploying it. No! Ah! Holy moly, it stopped recording. Now it's coming down. I just have hope to do nothing here. And it's just going to land. Okay, well, let's take off again, I guess. Should I let it rest or should I let it take off? Okay, we'll take off here. And it's not responding again. Completely non-responsive. This is totally different than the last few times I've taken it into the air. I think I have to go back through that whole calibration process again. It's like it decalibrated or something.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I think we're ready for takeoff again if it'll allow me. Which it won't. Down to 49% battery. Maybe it's because it's low battery? That's not low battery.
Low.
Of course, it's blinking at me like it is low battery, but it's reporting 49% battery.
But it won't go.
It won't go. We may have to revisit this
Okay.
after I've seen if I can get it working again. So we're back out here with a fully charged battery. I suspect what happened yesterday is that the battery actually did run out of juice. It just wasn't reporting it accurately to the app. So we're going to take off again and see how it goes. We're going to try and test a bunch of the features that are in this drone and see how well they work. If we can actually get it to fly and not just crash immediately or try and land itself. So here goes. And it's not cooperating again. Okay, so it seems to just be insisting now that it be set on the ground every time I fly it. Fortunately, oh, now it wants the compass calibrated again. And wants to be set back down on the ground again. Now it should fly. It really does not want to start the motors this time for some. Now it's lost a Wi-Fi signal from the drone. Oh, that's because the drone turned itself off. Okay. Well, we'll turn it back on. Okay. Now we've got to do the calibration all over again. Oh! There we go. Finally started working. Okay. And it's up! Seems to be a lot less movement. Well, no starting its circling thing again, looks like. So, now that it's actually in the air, oh, it's not responding again. No response. It is out of control. Out of control. Let's see. No, I just missed that tree.
Oh, good lord!
Well, it's definitely terrible. There, it's finally down. It will not stop its motors, though. Fortunately, it's halfway stuck in the ground. And there, it turned itself off. Well, I guess it looks like it's in one piece, so I'll just reach through the fence here. Ah. Well, I guess that's a durability test out of the way. Now, I haven't been able to actually test out any of these special features of this because I haven't been able to get it in the air for long enough. So, I'm just going to turn on the sound recording that it's apparently capable of, and we'll do a sound test really quick. Okay, now, obey my controls. Okay, it's doing it again. Oh, that was a bad one. That was a bad one. However, it still appears to be okay. So, we're going to take off again here. I'm not sure why it should normally take off when I just move that button there. I wonder if some of the settings here is wrong. Oh, the controller turned itself off. That's what that was. The controller turned itself off. However, okay, we have control of the drone. I know I had turned the controller on earlier, but it must have like some sort of auto power off. So all of that time calibrating it, in that time it must have turned the controller off. So we're in the air, and the drone is at least trying to keep level up there. It's drifting about. So, let's see here. We'll try some of those special modes here. GPS follow. No, it's doing the same crazy thing again. No. I'm not sure why it does that. But it's impressive, at least, that it was able to take off after taking 2 serious crashes there. Maybe I can have it fly around me by putting the drone right over me, and now we can fly around. Okay, so at least now I have told it to fly around. Okay, so that does work. That does work when you tell it to fly in a circle. It will fly in a circle. It will fly in a circle of its own accord, but at least now it's flying around me, and that's what I've instructed it to do. Okay, so that does in fact work. Okay, I told you to stop, and it's still doing it. Alright. Okay, so I have set a route for it to fly just to random points on the map, and we will see how this works. Okay, so you've got to actually take it up pretty high in the air to make the route planning work here. So now it's flying the little route I created for it. I'll just keep an eye on, because I don't actually have any point of reference here for how far it's going to try and go. Well, it's pretty much following the route I set, kind of. Some pretty sharp turns. I'm not sure what it's doing now. Okay, it seems to have completed what it thought the route was like. It doesn't appear to have much relevance to the route that I actually told it to follow, but it did in fact follow its commands to some degree. No. Okay, now GPS follow is now working. Let's see if I walk around now. Let's see what the drone does if I walk around. I'm not exactly sure what it's tracking here. No. Well, it's up in a tree now. I thought it was going to follow me, but instead it decided to maroon itself up there. Well, that was by far my most successful test so far. The thing functioned to some degree. I was able to test some of its features out, and yeah, it does in fact work. With a little bit of patience, you can actually manage to fly the drone. However, now I've got to go get a ladder. And with that, I'm going to end the video. Thanks very much for watching. This has certainly been an interesting device to test. And I'll see y'all again next time. Bye!